Right, 5.5. Clause 20A changes to the district plan. Mr. Nicholas Carroll.
Good afternoon, Councillors. Your Worship, you'll remember that we're going through a process of taking the district plan from being on written paper and sticking it into lovely digital devices. As part of the exercise, we've found a few errors in our pieces of paper, and Clause 20A of the first schedule of the Resource Management Act allows you to fix those up without any other process. So this is simply a procedural item to hopefully allow you to rubber stamp those minor editorial changes.
Very good, Nick. Thank you very much. Concise delivery of your report. Any questions of Mr. Carroll? No. It's unusual, isn't it?
Very unusual.
Yeah.
But both the conciseness and the no questions.
Suggested recommendation there. Could I have a move, please? Moved by Councillor Kingy, second by Councillor Pickling. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.